Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I have a special treat for you. Your word of the day is faithfulness. Consistency is the key. Faith without works are dead. You're putting in the work, and you may be getting tired right now, wondering if you're going to eventually find any results. Is your hard work working? Yes. Nothing you do goes to waste. It's all working out for your good, but we need you to stay consistent for this breakout season, and things will change at the snap of your fingers. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ has the right moment for you to shine, so don't worry about that. But they can't promote you if you stop or you have doubt in yourself. So I need you to keep going. I commit to my mind, heart, and will, my gifts. I'm devoted to the needs of my soul. I trust in myself, God, and in the universe. And I will be planted in my manifestations as soon as they are ready to evolve you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.